Hi, I'm Christelle and this is day 5 of my trip to Munich. Here is Germany and here is Munich. It's nearly 10 a.m. already and yeah, I'm going. Today's plan is Botanical Garden, so that's really cool. That's my favorite basically. Okay, I'm going. So here's my hotel and here's the Botanical Garden. It's a bit far, so I've got to take the tram. 2 trams actually. What's up with lost gloves today? Part 1, it's tram time. Part 2, the Botanical Garden. Alright, so this is big. I'm here. There's all this outside and a glass house. What's the name? Greenhouse. So the lab and the nature museum are closed today. But it doesn't matter, I prefer the garden and the greenhouses. It is snowing. It's not rain, it's snow. Yay! Snow! Part 3. You didn't think I was going to miss lunch, did you? Ils ont du spéti ici. J'ai bien envie de tester, là c'est le moment. Et de la Flammenküche. Ça me paraît pas mal. Ok, so I have the spéti. It's really good actually. It's like Coca-Cola but like with an aftertaste of orange. It's really good. Apple pie with cream. It's really good. There's some cinnamon in there too. Really good. And it's sunny now. That meal was really good. I'm really full now. And it's sunny, sort of. There's a bit of blue sky. So yeah, let's keep on walking. Part 4, let's go to the greenhouse. The greenhouse. It's just too warm. I've had to take away my jacket because it was too warm. Haus 4, Wasserpflanzenhaus, I would say water plants. Oh, it's so warm in there. Fish, 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 oh my god. It's just too warm. Big fish. giant ceramic. Afrika und Madagaskar. It is snowing. And it's cold again. Part 5. Let's see the rest of the garden. So I'm out of the greenhouse and now it's cold and windy again. And I have still things that I haven't seen outside and that I want to see. I am nearly back at the entrance. Okay, so it is 5:24 and it closes at 6 p.m. So I'm going to go to the shop and exit. And that's the entrance to the greenhouses. That is the entrance, exit, and the shop. Goodbye, garden. Part 6. Take me to church. Or not, you know. It's about 5:40 and I'm just out of the garden. And now I want to try to walk up to a church which has like a very specific modern architecture. It should be closed by the time I arrive, but I just want to see outside. And it should take me nearly 40 minutes to walk there. So I could actually just take the tram and go out at Newhouse and stop. But the reason why I'm walking is because there is some sort of canal that I want to see on the way. So yeah, can I actually walk or is that the highway? I think we can walk. So that's this tram that I should be taking if I had not decided to walk. That's the castle of Nymphenburg that I've seen the other day. And yeah, on the other side I'm going to walk along the canal in order to reach the church that I want to see. And it's just straight ahead now, nearly until the end. It's raining again. Got the umbrella. Ooh, raining or snowing. Bit of both. Hailing. Yeah, it's kind of snowing too. And we also have some sun. And it's actually like sort of warm too because of the sun. Little bird. And it's just sunny and warm now. And so right at the end of this canal we've got the castle of Nymphenburg. And that's where I came from. And now I need to look for the church. Okay, so we can see the bell tower, even though there is a tree right in front of it. It's nearly 7. It took me absolutely forever to walk there, but I was slow. I took a lot of photos. Here's the church. Alright, so this is the church, which is basically a glass cube, and with some sort of like curtains inside, as you can see, to sort of protect the view. Alright, so this church is the Hearst Jesu Kirk, and so that's, I guess that's a bell tower. Alright, so it's just a cube. I've seen a few photos of the inside, like you can Google this and see some photos of it inside. If you like modern architecture, which is absolutely not my case, then you might enjoy this. But yeah. Alright, so now it's time to find the tram stop and go back to the hotel. Part 7, more tram time. I'm going to miss this one. Yes, I am missing it. I am frozen. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share and subscribe so that you can see the next video. Bye, see you soon. I've made a little book with my favorite photos from this trip. Feel free to have a look at it on my website or on my coffee page. Thank you!